Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I gonna show you how to draw realistic eye, and this is part 1 of outline. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So first I'm drawing eyelid, and then eyeball, and then under eyes, and then eyelashes. You have to draw eyelashes thinner, पर आपको eyelashes बहुत ज़्यादा बनाने हैं. So my upper eyelid eyelashes are completed. Now I am drawing lower eyelid eyelashes. So yes, so our outline is ready. Wait for part 2. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.